Sanibonani Mzansi, Dumelang. My name is Asanda Kati and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and if you see this, then that means you care about the soul of our nation, and it means you're tired of looking the other way. We need to have a very painful but very urgent conversation about accountability, about the music we stream, and about what happens when our cultural icons choose to stand on the wrong side of justice. Just a few days ago, many of us watched the harrowing testimony of Zethu on the Justice YouTube podcast. We sat there and listened to a young woman break down, laying bare traumatic allegations of sexual abuse. Every single day in South Africa, we look at the statistics. We live in a country suffering from an absolute crisis of gender-based violence and rape. It is an undeclared war against women. We constantly tell victims to speak out, to trust the process, and to break the silence. But what happens when they actually do? When Zethu spoke out, the spotlight turned heavily onto public figures who are expected to know the weight of this trauma, particularly a female, Babes Wodumo, who is internationally recognized as an icon, a powerful female figure in an industry dominated by men. More than anyone, given her own highly publicized history, you would expect her to be the first person to rally behind a victim. You would expect her to protect vulnerable young women and stand firmly for accountability. Instead, the allegations suggest that her platform and resources have been used to do the exact opposite. Allegedly silencing a victim and working against the pursuit of justice. Mzansi, we cannot keep separating the art from the artist when the artist's actions actively harm our society. When we stream the music of people who enable or ignore abuse, we are funding their lifestyles. We are buying them the power to silence others. Every radio spin, every playlist addition, every stream is a stamp of approval from us. It tells the world that as long as the beat is good, we don't care what happens to South African women behind closed doors. That is why I have taken a stand. I have created a petition on ichange.org. Our demands are clear and non-negotiable. We demand the immediate removal of all of Babes Wodumo's music from international streaming platforms. We call for a total boycott of every single radio station that continues to play her music until these heavy allegations are fully cleared through a transparent legal process. If we want the cycle of violence and impunity to stop, we have to stop funding this cycle. The link to the ichange.org petition is right below in the description box of this video and pinned in the top comment. Click it, sign it, share it on your WhatsApp statuses, your Twitter, your Facebook. Let's show our sisters, our daughters, and victims like Zethu that when they speak up, Mzansi will stand up to shield them. Clear your name or lose your platform. It's that simple. Thank you for your time. Sign the petition and let's make a change. Stay safe, Mzansi. Goodbye.